Welcome to The View from Felaban. I'm here with Juan Barboza, who is Itau Unibanco's senior economist for Argentina, Paraguay and Uruguay. We were talking earlier about the size of the banking market here, and you said that a wave of consolidation is very likely to come in.
Yes, thank you. Yes, we expect a consolidation in the banking industry because the rules of the game in Argentina has changed for the financial institutions. Argentinians were accustomed to have negative real interest rates in the past, so many depositants were subsidizing credits in the country. Now banks will have to compete to attract investors, offering positive real interest rates that will lead to more competition. It will likely lead to a consolidation. So banks will have to adjust their plans to face this new reality. You know that in Argentina there are even some products that almost do not exist, like, for example, mortgages. So there's a lot of room for the banking industry to develop if they adapt to these new conditions.
So quite a lot of change coming in the banking sector, and quite a lot of change also expected in the capital markets with a new bill that will be presented to Congress just at the end of this week. What kind of changes are you expecting from this?
Exactly. Before the end of this week, the government will send to the Congress the draft of a new capital market bill. The capital market bill tries to provide more incentives to develop the domestic capital market in Argentina, which today is quite tiny. To increase the size of the capital market is necessary to facilitate the savings and investment for many companies. The government did an amazing job in reducing the country risk premium through the arrangement with the holdouts, but that helped a lot to companies that had access to the capital market. But many of the companies in Argentina still relies on the domestic capital market. So to facilitate the launchment of IPOs, to eliminate the threats of interventionism from the government in private companies, this is an issue which is tackled by the new bill and should encourage definitely competitiveness and investment in the country.
So we are going to expect bigger flows of FDIs coming in. Argentina also on the back of this new law. And in fact, I think while most people outside of the country, around the world, are very enthusiastic about the prospects of the country, foreign direct investment has not been as high as most people have anticipated. So what is your forecast?
Yes, it is true that FDI didn't come to the country at the speed that we expected at the beginning, but I have few doubts that it will come at the end. It's not only the government which is providing good signals and an economic program that can attract FDI. If you look what happened in Argentina, you will see that the Congress already passed close to 70 bills recently since last December. And this is not just only a victory of the government, it's just the result of the cooperation, negotiation with the opposition parties, the Parents Party, the dissident Peronists, other opposition parties. They are all working on this new name of the game in Argentina, which is negotiation. It's not only that the government is trying to lure the capital investors, it's just the society expressed through the political class, which is doing a tremendous effort to show a new face in Argentina and attract and to lure the foreign investors.
So a true turning point for the country. Thank you so much for your comments.